Champagne will be original.
Let them know. Yeah.
That's so.
See that?
Champagne will be original.
Yeah.
You are welcome to Bobos Yan. Now
Now
the show where they happen for years.
Tell them.
I don't say you never know what's. I don't say you go see don't sabi who they for your set.
Yeah.
Shakara he dey here.
He dey.
And there was heavy follow dey here. One madman
My
dey
friend
house.
is okay.
Okay, name now go in no dey here.
Hey.
Bad belly is allowed.
Hey.
9 minutes.
It's allowed.
Welcome.
It's allowed.
You rap where they make hungry, they make belly they tummy. Then they get somebody.
Hey, that's gonna hate.
Yeah. Haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate. When the baddest of the baddest is rapping, singing, you hate it.
You know the whole idea is that
Rap.
you know how it is, man. If you're big, when you're big, you're big. You get people who be hating on
The
you for no
best
reason.
thing where you can
That's the
rap,
problem.
apart from Igbo.
That's the problem about life.
The more money, the more problem.
The more haters you get,
the more haters you get.
You don't rap anything.
People they beef us now because say Showman was
yes.
trying to be a Burna Boy. And shout out to Burna Boy, man. I like that guy, man. He's the baddest. He's the baddest.
Showman was trying to be a Burna Boy.
Brother, they will call the
Me, I'm just my, you've not heard about me?
He's trying to be a devil.
You've not heard about me?
What did they do?
Celebrity.
You said the rap.
Celebrity.
You know, say if you want to look which artist you want to say they will resemble.
You don't resemble anybody.
Because if I say Flavor, but if Flavor head.
Flavor no got this puff puff.
Face, man. So you mean say no resemble anybody?
This is a sign of good living, bro. Sign of good living. If y'all don't
If
know,
they ask you who you resemble really for this life.
I look like myself now. What
No, like maybe your alter ego or anything. I mean,
I don't get what I go about me. I don't know. Now, so I go see me and I go tell me. Tell me who you think I look like. You know how it is.
No, you don't
Check
have a
it
look
out.
alike.
he doesn't have
Check
a look
it out.
alike.
Nah.
Well, welcome to the very show that is able to set you and catapult you into the motion, and then will set you into a locomotion style. That means if you are in a patois mode, I am on welcome
Booyah!
you right
Me
now.
nah know,
Fire, welcome, peace to
Booyah!
everybody in the system. Jack creation bless ya.
Booyah!
Welcome, we set you up in a locomotion style.
Booyah!
That's right.
Now the show they call
Bubbles
Bubbles
Yarn.
Yarn, 7 relationships since 2014. And as you know, we in the bar tonight. The love doctor is here. The relationship organizer is here. I'm looking, please help me add something to my love doctor. I'm trying to add maybe like
Boom.
maybe like sweet love doctor, something. Give me
no
one
love
adjective.
doctor, yeah, love doctor.
Showman, you might
You're
put
right.
me in the Jamaican mood
Me
right
not know
now.
us, yo. Hey.
So me,
I have
man.
a devil also
Me
in
not
the
know
building
us.
tonight. We have not given him a name yet.
Yo, you know, we are
What,
celebrities
man?
doing their things, man.
What is this time to say?
You feel introduce me in the right way, man.
Yeah, boy.
Listen, man.
yeah, introduce
Listen,
yourself.
man. Listen,
Okay,
man.
you feel tell them what you feel say.
I go by the name of MC Shakara. Me ma pump the show right now.
Hey!
Listen.
Hey!
Ja.
You know, know, so, hey!
Jarasa fried rice.
Jarasa
Let's see, chop
fried
and
rice.
finish.
Chop it finish.
Yeah, man. Now listen for me, show now. Okay, man. Take it up, man. Yeah, man.
That was Shakara's 2 minutes of
Yeah,
fame.
man, Babylon man, come down
2
to you.
minutes
Never look
of
at motion style. Bless you, boom, brother man. Put your finger out. Big up your chest. We're in the building tonight. We're ready to make sure we give you a sexy topic. And tonight, we are here.
Now when they break ball tonight, they do that. What they do?
And then we go do cut it.
You see, boys, they take off that play.
Okay. We want to ask you now, want to drop one very, very simple topic today.
Drop it
And that's the
episode.
one we want to say, whether it dey okay, make guy, they give him babe a fixed amount of money like salary. Like salary. It dey okay, make you they give guy. Have you ever placed a girl on salary? I don't mean like 1.5, I mean like really.
My friend,
No, since
shut
you
up
used
there,
to
let me
1.5.
talk.
You know, yeah,
generally.
1.5%.
Okay.
Now listen.
1.5 man.
Listen
1.5.
to me.
You
Don't
have
be,
the 1.5
don't be
advice.
silly. Listen. when I
1,005 naira.
talk. Listen.
Transport for Shakara.
Shakara Degi. 1,005 naira.
You know what? You're going to hear from my lawyer.
Man, wait till you reach like that.
Don't mess up.
Now play
You know that play.
No,
That's
I'm
how they
serious
play with
because-
you.
Because what you're doing
Is what?
you are if you go by the law, man,
Yeah.
then you're going to jail. I'm serious. Straight up, you're going to jail.
For stating the obvious.
Now listen now.
Okay.
Now. The funny thing that no matter the amount of money where you give woman, it will still ask
For another one.
And so even though she did on salary, before that month, a job like say where you dey work now, when month never end, salary never come, you don't really get needs. but shey dem get salary dey pay you. If to say there be people wey fit give you money, you know say we for still go dey meet them. If to say where would they work?
Yeah,
the
give you
people
money.
feel
If you need
we
money,
fit
they'll
just
give you.
waka go give you money. You know,
But
so many
if
of
you-
us, our
but
salary
if
no
you
go
dey
dey
use-
short.
If you dey use comparison of where
Yes.
you dey work and your babe,
Yes.
then that means say that the babe is working for you.
No, it's not working for me. You know why I put am like that? Say to me, I dey count up the emotion wey say give babe fixed amount.
No, that's the topic.
No, yes. Now they say I'm against it.
You don't believe in giving
No,
the girl.
I don't believe. You know
So,
why?
but you know that
You know why? Because it don't make sense.
Your wife.
Because
But you know that your wife,
Uh,
you give somehow you let's say they give your wife like fixed amount. You
if
know why?
No.
You know,
How?
let me tell you, when they pay you salary, you understand? Every man always knows that if I don't even make arrangements with your wife, say either 100K I will give you for the house every month. So he knows that okay, there's money for the food from there, which they carry the buy things for house. So it's like a salary. Now, but your girlfriend is where me I have issue. You understand? Because people now they talk say they try doing like practice. Say they one day used to doing it when they are married.
Even girlfriend sef, you no even supposed to.
I don't believe they say you're supposed to give your girlfriend, but I believe say you fit give your wife a fixed amount of way. You don't tell yourself, say, this is how much I want to be giving my wife every. Like now, if you now tell your wife, say, na 200K you want to give your wife, that means her hair money dey there. No means that she know they work, you understand? Now just you. Just no one make it content. You say,
always still get something which she
and if you get that, you give her more now. If you want now.
So there's no point of giving that. Anytime you want money for anything, I will
Ask
give
you.
Yes. Ask
You
you.
really are you
That's
sure you
my-
won't go through that stress
Yeah, no,
of
my
your wife? They
policy.
ask you every now and then.
Okay,
say,
what about the stress of still asking when I don't already give?
it go there less.
Well, I believe say if una come to agreement and say
Yeah.
okay, baby or my honey, this one every month.
You go there
na
give
the
her
fixed
that
money wey I
amount.
dey give you be
Which is what everybody does.
I no wan hear say
Your wife come cry, come say,
e finish.
"See you,
I do this thing.
I do
that thing.
You don't come again.
See,
What?
listen,
Calm down.
Because
No,
yeah,
other
that
thing
one.
go come.
We don't
And then one
agree.
say, you know one year, say, your wife come tell her, say,
You
money
want
don't
to do
finish.
one
You
thing.
never hear cry.
See, no,
Her junior sister.
Shakara still be
do
like
one
this.
thing.
No, but Shakara,
One thing
in all
happen.
fairness,
So
is
you
your
be
wife
no
not
dey.
working?
She
Shakara,
can't use
your
that
Your
money.
wife, but your wife,
No,
your
wife
wife.
but
dey
they
work.
never pay. Like, if she dey work for some kind
They
of place where I
never
know
pay
where
am.
salary no dey come,
That's
like
different now.
until
But it not be every
20th.
time where they happen now.
Some place they happen every time. Like one place where I know they happen every time. Because they go reach
Wetin-
from 15 to 20th, salary
Wetin-
never come.
Abeg,
If she dey work that kind of place,
where did
where that place,
Shakara, wetin
around before salary go come, either from 15 or from 20th. Tell me, say your wife dey work for that kind of place now,
No.
and you dey give
No.
her, she go see the demand.
Yes, no, but you know, let me tell you, there's a simple way to solve that mass. Now, month don't start. January 1, abi, or February 1, or March 1. You don't know, say, that means, say, any money wey be don't supposed to give am, they count from that day. If your wife, you go dey pay am after every two weeks. Any money wey you dey give am, you can even choose to give her the bulk money when once more
At
don't
once.
end. If na 100K, you want to go 200K. Even if they've not paid her, you call her this na the money for upkeep of house, abi 200K. That means feeding, wait to everything inside there. He can come now, maybe tomorrow, come tell you, say, you know, have not been paid. I supposed to go buy wrapper or one thing. So give me, you don't know wahala. Oh. I'm going to give you. That means when they pay you your money,
You bring am
give
back.
her my money back.
That's the wrongest person to borrow money. It's your woman.
Then she knows
You
that
borrow-
next time she will not come to you
Hey,
again.
see,
She knows
now,
that
let me-
next time she will not come
she
to you
knows say
again.
she
Let
go
me
use
tell
her
She
you.
head.
wants to keep integrity.
To me,
She go use her head.
To me, except this is my opinion, except I'm traveling. But as long as I'm around, I'm always closing to come to that house with you. I'm okay to take care of anything. Because if you want to go shopping for the house, fine, I can give you money, you buy things. You say you want to go
But
shopping
you
for
are not first going to
Listen,
allow your wife. Is your wife going to work or not? She
No,
will
no,
work.
if she won't work, she will work.
No, but from you want me your wife to work.
Yes,
Good.
it's possible.
So your wife they work. That means she get her own money.
Get her own money.
Abi? So you they give am your own too.
I dey give her anything
So how
she
you
need.
so you they give am.
Anything she need. I'm not saying that anything my wife need, except na the one way my hand no come reach. I can explain to her say.
You know, but why
this
you
one
go
wey
reach
want
where your
now.
hand no go feel reach?
No,
How
that's
you
not-
say
want, you guys-
you
you
don't
don't
bring
do
it
that.
because you are ready to do it every
No,
now
no,
and
no,
then.
this
she
one-
wants-
see,
But you
see,
set
your
the
wife will come
rules
to
tell
early
you.
enough.
Shakara,
Let me tell
this
you.
new phone.
What you want
I
to
want
go?
change am.
What you
This
want to
new
go
car,
understand
I
with
want buy
woman?
am.
So
What
let me
you
tell
say?
you something you have to understand. Woman, no matter how much you give woman, woman always want more money. Whether your girlfriend, well, even now make
Not all. Not all women.
Now make Ashawo.
Ashawo they want to.
Ashawo go say, Bonnie, for this night, now 30,000, you agree. In the morning, can the 30,000 give Ashote say, give me transport now? You understand? Give me some for transport.
That's an experience.
I can't wonder.
Experience is the best
a very serious issue as marriage.
Wait.
With Ashawo.
No, wait.
You can't Ashawo
I can give you an illustration.
Well, we can
This
see.
one you have agreement. You know why I use that one as illustration? Because you have agreement. Say, how much for the night? She said 20,000 on agree. You understand? You can't carry the 20,000 give her say, I know go give me transport on top. You understand?
But let me tell you.
That's how woman life be.
The only reason why most times they're always good to give money to your wife is for planning. Because as men, you understand, a lot of things fit the way you don't if you don't go carry your money, one go do. So once your man already tell you, your wife knows, say, as time they go on,
As a man, you can't save.
I'm coming, let me tell
understand.
you, most time men, women they always help men. Most time, if you marry, you know the difference.
No,
if
let
you
me
have
tell
a
you.
steady girlfriend,
Let me-
you also know what I'm
let
telling
me
you.
tell you.
You don't get
Let me tell
girlfriend,
you.
so you cannot
If-
understand how to plan your life
If
and
woman-
save.
if
If
But
you
let me
give
tell you
woman
what
money,
I'm
say
saying.
this is your money for this is your money.
This is for the
Now
house.
that time, then she go call her mama. That shoe.
It
where I
no
go buy for
concern you how
Many
the wife
things.
spend
she
the
go spend,
money.
make she spend, but
Let
make
me
she
tell
no
you
come
what
back.
I know I do personally as a person. Me when they hear so like this, no matter even I don't tell my wife, say, okay, I'm giving you this money, maybe spend 100K for food, you understand? For food stuff. I still will always know that as I dey come up for road, that's how I do. I feel enter supermarket, you understand? Still buy, if I see pepper, even for traffic,
go
onions,
buy.
I dey buy. I dey buy potatoes, go house, plantain. No, even if I don't give you money before. So as a man, you go know say your wife already, just look at one day, you see her hair. Or you see say her phone, you understand? You do some things naturally, not because I've given her 200K. When we have to go on this break, we need to know type of want to talk for straight about this matter. We'll just go on this short break. I'll go for straight. When we come back, Shakara must be born again on this matter. We'll come back. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.